In today's video, I am going to teach you how to plot an Excel chart with two x-axes. This type of chart is helpful when you need to show two data series that do not share the same scale, or when one series needs to be emphasized differently. By the end, you will have a dual-axis chart that makes comparisons much easier to understand. To get started, select your data range from cell A1 to C5. When you do this, you are telling Excel exactly which cells contain the categories and the two sets of values you want to plot. Take a moment to look at your worksheet and confirm that A1 through C5 covers the header row and all of the series data. If your labels are included in that range, Excel will typically use them automatically when building the chart, which saves time and reduces errors. Next, you will click the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is where Excel places chart tools and other visual options. After you click Insert, the ribbon changes and you will see different chart-related buttons. This is the area you want because Excel can generate chart types quickly based on the selection you made earlier. Now click the Recommended Charts button. This opens a window that suggests chart formats that match your selected data. Excel is essentially taking your A1 to C5 selection and recommending chart styles that are most appropriate. You will see several options and previews. Even if you are not sure which one is best, Recommended Charts is a good starting point because it helps you avoid picking an incompatible chart type. At this point, you should click the All Charts tab in the window. This gives you access to a wider selection than the recommendations list. If you do not see exactly what you need in the Suggested Charts area, this is the next logical place to look. The All Charts tab provides categories and chart types that can include combo charts and other specialized setups. Once you are in All Charts, click Combo at the bottom of the list. The Combo Chart option is important here because it lets Excel combine different chart types, or more importantly for your goal, use different axis settings for different series. This is the chart type that supports the dual-axis layout you are aiming for. After selecting Combo, you should look for the option labeled Secondary Axis. Specifically, check the box next to Series 2. This tells Excel that the second series should be plotted on a secondary axis, which effectively creates the two x-axis feel in the chart layout and allows each series to have its own scale. When you check Secondary Axis for Series 2, pay attention to how the chart preview or the settings change in response, because that confirms Excel understood your intention. Finally, click OK to generate the dual-axis chart. Excel will now create the chart based on your data range and the axis configuration you selected. Once the chart appears on your worksheet, take a moment to review it. Make sure the series names match what you expected, and verify that the second series is linked to the secondary axis. If the legend shows Series 2 on a different axis, that is exactly what you wanted. And that covers everything you need to know. You now know how to plot an Excel chart with two x-axes by using a combo chart and enabling the secondary axis for your second data series.